Good morning, everybody. This is John Wallace. I wanted to give you a little, overview or how to start the process off with PeakfundingPro. All right, once you come to the site, you will scroll down. You'll go over the information located on the site. And if you decide to register, we're going to start off with the credit offer from the company. So you will click here, and it will take you to this page, to the home page of Peak Funding. You log in, set in your login information. The first thing you want to do is, I'm seeing that people are having an issue finding their links. You would have on your desktop, you will see this avatar. Make sure that you click this menu. This menu right here, this opens up the menu on the left hand side. Then you would click the avatar and it would bring up your profile. Your profile information will have all of your links leading to the different offers for credit repair, corporate funding, personal funding, and an agent link. Okay, this is when you go through the process, you'll be able to use this as an agent. Okay, now the first thing you want to do after you go through your profile and fill everything in is your assessment. Read through all of this. Okay, I'm not going to read through all of it right now, but this is for credit repair. All right, now when I first got involved with the company, they were asking you to donate some money towards your credit repair, and then they will have hard money lenders, which the lenders are part of the PIF, Pay It Forward program, where they will, offer up to $2,500 to fix and repair your credit. But this is after you go through assessment. Now it seems like they have removed the question of asking you for any kind of donation towards repairing your credit. So you fill this out. Make sure you have a Credit Karma account, because you will have to give them your Credit Karma username and password and your credit score. Now, it doesn't matter how bad your credit score is, because the point of all of this is to repair your credit. So don't be embarrassed to put your credit score there, no matter how low it may be. And then sign. Most people miss this part. You must sign. It doesn't matter, your penmanship. Just sign it. Submit your assessment. Once you get to that stage, you will receive an email giving you login details. There would be a button down below. Now, this is a test account, so I'm gonna log out and show you how it looks from my other back office. Okay. So let me log out real quick from this one. And we're going to log into my personal one. And when you go through the assessment process and you start it, it will look like this. Okay. And they want you to use a certain certain credit monitoring service called Identity IQ. Now, they tell you that there's a trial offer of $1 for 7 days. I guess at the time when they, put this up, there was a $1 trial offer. However, I doubt that exists anymore. And in your email, you would also get your login details for your credit repair portal. When you click on this, it will take you to the part of the credit repair that you need to access. Okay. This is the company that they're asking you to be a part of. Right, they have different payment plans. All right, they didn't specify which plan you should get. So the lowest plan here, if I recall, is $10. Okay, it's $10. All right, there's really, it's not a big thing. Right, here's one for $6.99. They didn't specify which plan you should get, so it's not that much money. And if you don't have a credit monitoring service, this is something you should have, regardless to what you do. Okay, people are stealing people's information all over the internet daily. Okay, I think the average is a couple of thousand people a minute. All right, so once you do that and you figure you go through the 6 steps that they issued in the issue right here, 4 steps, but you have to follow the 6 steps once you log into the portal, which would be here. Okay, once you log into here, you would have your steps. Now they assess your credit. Now, the reason that you won't be turned down as far as credit repair, but you can be refused from the Pay It Forward program. So if you have a lot of collections that are, recent, I'm not sure what the process is during the assessment, But some people are getting refused for the $2,500 offered from the partners in the Pay It Forward program. But they're being told that if they pay the $2,500, they can have their credit repaired. So you'll fall into one of the categories. Either one of the hard money lenders will be able to help you, or you will have to do it yourself. Now, the greatest thing about, doing it yourself is that, you don't have $2,500, but you can earn off of this company by offering a credit repair to other people. And once you receive your commissions, build your commissions up until you come to a point where you can afford the $2,500. But just being refused from the Pay It Forward program doesn't mean you refuse from all the other offers. You still have corporate funding and personal funding. Now, the way it works is the Pay It Forward program is full of hard money lenders who actually went through this process, or people that have money and willing to pay $2,500. And the reason why they will be willing to is because once your credit is approved, you also will go into the next stage, which would give you $150,000 in personal funding. Once you receive that funding, you're responsible for paying $5,000 out of that $150,000 back to the company, where the people that paid the $2,500 will receive double back their investment in you. Okay, and that's only due once and if you are approved for the personal loan. So if you're not approved for the personal loan, you don't have to pay it back. Isn't that great? Someone could pay $2,500 to improve your credit, and if you're not approved for personal funding at a specific time and don't receive the funding for whatever reason, you don't have to pay it back. That's how much, that's how confident the company is in getting you that credit, because if they don't get it for you, if they don't get you that loan, they don't get paid. So they got to be assured, if someone from the Pay It Forward program is going to pay $2,500, they got to make sure that they get that money back. And the only way to do that is to get you approved for that loan. All right. So the credit aspect of it is very, very lucrative. Go through all the videos in the back office. It doesn't cost you any money to apply for the credit repair. Okay. So go through it, get your assessment, set up your, your Credit Karma account, set up your Identity IQ account, and just apply. The worst that you can be told is that you have to pay the $2,500 out of pocket. That's the worst. Okay, you won't be terminated from the account and nothing like that. You still can go through the other processes. And if you want to be part of the Pay It Forward program to help other people repair their credit, you can apply for that separately. So that's an option for those that have the income to help other people repair their credit. Okay, once I get into this partner program, I'm not sure if you can choose who you want to help, but I would definitely try to help those that follow me in if I have the option to, as we go through it. Okay. All right. Well, I just wanted to give you that quick overview, and I hope that helps you get set up immediately. Go through the credit repair process. Start out. It takes no money. Okay. Credit Karma is free, and if you look over here, $10, $6.99. Even if you paid $30 a month, even if you chose this one and you chose $30 a month, $30 to get a 720 credit score is really a no-brainer, even at the max. Okay. Well, take care and God bless again. Thank you. I forgot to add one thing. The company says that it takes them about 4 or 5 days to make the assessment. And if you, with the credit repair and thing like that. So if they assess you and they get back to you, they will call you and contact you once you've completed the 6 steps after applying. However, if you don't get approved for whatever reason, or you don't like the resolution they came up with, you could always cancel this. So you don't have to continue with this, especially if you don't get approved for the credit funding. Okay. So if you don't get approved for the credit repair and you already ordered this, you could cancel, Identity IQ at any time. So you don't have to stay with it. Okay. I just wanted to add that little bit in there to make it, more easier to understand the process. You don't have to stay with Identity IQ, especially if you get refused for the credit repair offer that's available in the back office. Okay. Take care. God bless. And thank you.